If you're a freelancer, stop scrolling for a second. There are websites that can help you find clients, manage projects, create professional work, communicate with clients, and get paid, and you may not be using them. In this video, I'm showing you 10 websites every freelancer should bookmark. And number 10 is especially useful if you're tired of wasting time doing repetitive tasks. Let's get into it. First is Upwork. If you're looking for freelance clients, this is one of the platforms you should know. You can find projects in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, virtual assistants, marketing, and many other skills. The important thing is not to apply randomly. Build a professional profile, show what you can actually do, and apply for jobs that match your skills. Bookmark it if you're serious about finding freelance work. Number 2 is Fiverr. Unlike traditional job applications, Fiverr allows freelancers to create services that clients can discover and purchase. For example, you could offer video editing, logo design, voiceover services, writing, website design, or social media management. The trick here is to make your service specific. Instead of saying, "I do everything," give people a clear reason to hire you. A focused service is much easier to understand and sell. Number 3 is Canva. Even if you're not a professional designer, Canva can help you create presentations, social media graphics, thumbnails, flyers, proposals, and other visual content. And if you're a freelancer, looking professional matters. A good-looking proposal, portfolio, presentation, or social media design can make your work look far more polished. So if you haven't already, bookmark Canva. Number 4 is Notion. Freelancing can get messy when you're handling multiple clients at the same time. Notion can help you organize your projects, notes, tasks, content ideas, client information, and deadlines in one place. Instead of having important information scattered across random notes and messages, you can build a simple workspace for your freelance business. The goal isn't to make your system complicated. Keep it simple and actually use it. Number 5 is Trello. Trello uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks. For example, you could create columns called To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. This is especially useful when you're working on several projects and need to know exactly what needs to be done next. If your freelance work currently feels disorganized, Trello could make a big difference. Number 6 is Calendly. Imagine a client wants to schedule a meeting with you. Instead of going back and forth saying, "Are you free Tuesday? What about Wednesday?" you can send them a scheduling link. They can choose an available time that works for them. That's a small change, but it can save you unnecessary messages and make you look more professional. Freelancers should automate simple things whenever possible. Number 7 is Google Drive. As a freelancer, you're going to deal with files, lots of them. Documents, images, videos, presentations, spreadsheets, contracts, and client files can quickly become difficult to manage. Google Drive gives you a place to store and organize your work and share files with clients. Just make sure you organize your folders properly. Don't create a folder called Client Files Final 2. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Number 8 is Loom. Sometimes explaining something to a client through text takes forever. Instead, you can record your screen and explain exactly what you're doing. For example, you could record a quick video showing a client how to use something you've created, explain a project update, or demonstrate a problem you're having. It's basically a way to say, "Let me show you," instead of writing a giant paragraph. Number 9 is Grammarly. Communication is a huge part of freelancing. You're sending proposals, emails, messages, reports, and other documents to clients. Grammarly can help you catch writing mistakes and improve the clarity of your communication. You don't need perfect English to be a successful freelancer, but you should make an effort to communicate clearly and professionally. Your messages are part of your personal brand. And finally, number 10 is Contra. Contra is another platform freelancers can use to showcase their work, build a professional profile, and connect with opportunities. It's worth exploring alongside other freelance platforms rather than depending entirely on one website. Because here's the truth. Don't build your entire freelance career around one platform. Platforms change. Competition changes. Algorithms change. Your real asset is your skill, portfolio, reputation, and relationships with clients. So those are 10 websites every freelancer should bookmark. Upwork, Fiverr, Canva, Notion, Trello, Calendly, Google Drive, Loom, Grammarly, and Contra. But don't make the mistake of bookmarking all 10 and never using them. Pick 2 or 3 that solve a problem you're currently facing and start using them today. And if you want more useful websites, AI tools, computer tips, and digital skills that can actually make your life easier, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills. I'll see you in the next one. Rock it!